don't become a data analyst. Seriously, everyone and their grandmother is trying to become one. Bootcamps are pumping out thousands of new analysts every single month. And you know what happens when everybody learns the same skills? You become replaceable. But here's the thing. It's not that data analytics is bad. It's that stopping at data analyst is actually a dead end. So in this video, I'll show you what to do instead and how to actually future-proof your career and make yourself valuable and stop competing in this race to the bottom. So hello, my name is Zazo. If you're new, I am a senior data analyst at a Fortune 100 company, and I've been a data analyst for about 4 years at this point. So let's be real. The title data analyst used to be used as gold. You'd get hired for just knowing things like Excel and SQL alone, but everyone has those skills nowadays. Companies expect you to visualize data, automate dashboards, understand Python, know business logic, talk to stakeholders, and somehow do it all for a $60K entry-level salary. The problem isn't that data analytics is dying. It's that the label of a data analyst is just way too broad. So if you follow that standard path of Excel, SQL, and Tableau or Power BI, you're blending in with thousands of others doing the exact same thing. Here's what you should do instead. Stop thinking of yourself as a data analyst and more of a data problem solver. Let me explain. A data analyst reports what happened. A problem solver finds out why it happened and what to do next to be more proactive. The difference is the impact. So you'll need to go beyond just making pretty charts or dashboards, and you'll need to automate insights. Learn something like Python or R to clean and analyze data more efficiently. Learn how to use APIs, automate reports, and integrate real-time data pipelines, because when you can automate your job, companies notice. The next thing is understand the actual business. If you understand marketing funnels, product metrics, financial models, you stop being just a report generator and you actually start becoming a strategic partner. Executives love analysts who can say, here's the metric that dropped, here's why, and here's what we should do next. That's how you get promoted, and that's how you actually get even into consulting. The next thing is you want to learn some type of engineering. So you don't have to be any type of software engineer, but knowing a little bit about SQL, optimization, APIs, or cloud tools like AWS, GCP, or something like Azure. That turns you from just a data consumer to a data creator. And those are the data analysts who normally will evolve into data engineers, analytics engineers, or even product analysts. And those roles have far more growth and pay opportunities. So you're also going to want to leverage AI. So AI tools are changing every single thing. ChatGPT, Copilot, and AutoML are now able to do some basic analysis faster than most entry-level analysts could ever do. Now, if you know how to use these tools, prompt them correctly, and verify their outputs and build those small automations, you'll probably outperform 90% of your peers. Just remember, AI isn't your competition, it's your leverage. So instead of aiming to be a data analyst, aim to be more of a data strategist, someone who understands data, code, and the business. And that's the combo that is future-proof. Learn analytics for insights, engineering for automation, business for impact. That's how you move up to roles like analytics engineer, product data lead, and data consultant, the kind of jobs that won't get automated away. So yeah, don't just become a data analyst. Use analytics as your foundation, not your final destination. So this is the end of the video. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know down in the comments what other things I can make videos on that will help you guys. Love, peace, and chicken grease. I am out.